All right, so this is a quick preview of our Fiberhead SU assembly with the Fiberhead and the single-use BallProbe. The mechanism is designed to be super simple and easy to connect. It's basically turn and remove. The nut can be opened and closed when the probe's not in. The only confusion that you might ever get into is if you try to insert the probe with the nut all the way screwed down. So just make sure that in any situation you've unscrewed the nut completely, the probe gets inserted, and you tighten down just a good finger tight, and that will establish a secure connection. To release, just turn it and it will come out. If the probe is stuck a little bit, like maybe it's gone through a little temperature cycling and it's a little bit grippy when it's open, a quick tap or a good little nudge on it will release it. All right, really simple, should be straightforward. We'll put it in your hands and let you get to it.